Summer Springs. It's a very beautiful town. It's nested in between mountains. All you see around the city, oh, not a city though, it's a town. All you see is mountains and hills. It's a very beautiful town.
Okay,
Susie has just finished pumping the mattress.
Sushi working and Pishti
Relaxing. The New Year's Eve decorations. Hello.
Can't fly.
What the date is today?
He's not
Today
a
is
fairy
the 31st of December, and according to the Western calendar, it's the last day of the year. So now we are celebrating the New Year's Eve, and tomorrow is going to be the first day of the new year. And yeah, and it's going to be the 1st of January.
What year gonna be tomorrow? Pishti.
2018.
Thank you.
How to say Happy New Year in Hungarian?
Oh yeah.
Bujék.
Bujék. Yeah.
Yeah, bujék.
Bujék is good.
Just bujek.
Bujék.
Just bujék.
Yeah.
And Indonesian?
Oh, it's pretty long.
Oh.
Yeah.
Selamat Tahun Baru.
Salamat Tahun Baru.
Oh, good
Oh,
pronunciation.
yeah.
How about you?
Salamat Tahun Baru.
Slovakian.
Happy New Year. Oh no.
Almost.
Almost there. Šťastný nový rok.
Szczęsny Nowy Rok. Cool. Szczęsny
Plan,
Nowy Rok.
for
Tomorrow.
tonight.
For tonight, drinking.
Dinner.
Oh yeah, dinner we will need to have after midnight, right?
What did you cook? What did you cook?
Lencsefőzelék
Lencsefőzelék.
with parki.
Oh, yummy.
We spark it.
I don't know, nyami or don't nyami.
Don't yummy or don't yummy.
Furcsa az a...
It's weird.
Are you already talking Spanish? Nyami or not nyami?
He spent the whole afternoon cooking
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Poor Pishti. Poor Pishti spend the whole afternoon, whole day cooking.
I go to fish.
I go to fish. Yeah, that's Spanish. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Spanish. Okay.
Yeah.
Spanish.
Yeah, go. We'll follow you. We've got like long stick. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful decoration.
Oh, we've got
Look.
very beautiful decoration.
Yes.
Very rainbow.
Very
See?
Yeah.
Thinking.
Zuza
supplied by Zuzan.
Yes.
supplied by our
Also
best,
this,
best cousin Zuza
Sick elephant voices.
and sick elephant. Do you have anything to say
Yes.
for tonight?
We still have like 3 or 2.5 hours to go until midnight, and I feel drunk already.
Well done. Yeah.
And just 2 beers and 1 tequila.
Yeah, so we got like 2.5 hours to go, and we got still nice light
Yeah.
and chef preparing the sausages. Already tried to clean the barbecue, but he made the worse. Yeah, well done. So we have like we're gonna have sausages with the food from last New Year's Eve. Yeah,
Food remains from.
Fogunk enni.
yeah.
YouTuber.
Okay.
Pisti
You-
készíti elő
YouTuber.
a virslicskéket.
YouTuber.
And now we've got a YouTuber here.
Igen, ott a konkurencia háttérben nem
Konkurencia.
vagyok rá
What is that?
nézni, igen. Nem,
Szia, konkurenció.
konkurencia, nem.
Okay.
Szóval az a lényeg, hogy...
Yeah.
Okay. So I wish you all a very happy new year. I wish you will be rich and healthy, because that's the most important, money and health.
Weed?
And yeah, we have the Lencsefőzelék and Parki and tequila. So that's kind of international now. And yeah, just wish you a very, very happy New Year, all of you.
Happy New Year.
Yes.
Oh,
Happy New Year. Rich and health. Money and health. Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Egészségedre.
Egészségedre.
So
Okay.
I enjoy Parki and Lencsefőzelék.
Na zdravie.
Na zdrowie. Oh. Is it good?
Very good. Okay, so enjoy our lovely New Year's Eve dinner in a
Okay,
very
Petyo.
lovely,
Petyo,
very
coming.
lovely.
Coming. Come.
We got crazy people here. Keep calm.
it's like-
Keep calm.
Oh, what Happy New Year!
No, Tuna, to už není to pod kontrolou.
Tak načuješ ještě pochybně jako tě spát.
From morning sun to night, but the seas between us broad have roared from